Hi, we're joined by attorney Sean O'Connor, supervising attorney here at Parent and Parent. Thank you so much for taking time. I know we've got some deadlines coming up, so I appreciate you taking the time to come down and talk to us. Sean, tell me basically about your role here at Parent, what you do.
Well, I really have a generalized role here. I pitch in and help with all the departments as help is needed. I was the tax manager here for a few years, so that gave me quite a bit of experience in all things tax related. So this time of year, I'm mostly working on tax returns, helping the tax manager, getting through some reviews. But other times a year, I'll help the resolution department as needed, and I'll help the international department. I have a lot of experience working specifically with the international clients and those abroad accounts.
Yes, you've got your international experience amazes me sometimes. So tell me, some people would think tax is boring. What do you like best about your role here in the tax field?
So I was in law school. I was considering all of the different options, the different legal fields to pursue. And tax is the most black and white. It's the one with the most basis, the most textual basis to help you determine the right course of action. And you do still have the opportunity to benefit clients and do some tax planning. But after the fact, things are really driven by the law, the way that it's written, and there's less room for subjective decisions that you'll often have in other fields of law where a judge is really driving the case.
You're a lot like me. Math was always my favorite subject because there was a right answer and a wrong answer. So I totally get that. But so then on the flip side, tell me what is I'd say your least favorite part or maybe the most frustrating part of this field?
Well, I guess it's where the rubber meets the road, dealing with the revenue agents and a lot of times, sometimes dealing with professionals who think they know more than they do. A lot of people have been in the field for a long time, and they think that they know all the right answers, especially in these international areas where they really have no idea what they're talking about. So we come across returns very regularly that are just wildly incorrectly done, and having to explain that to clients that their CPA took them down this incorrect path, or even sometimes to the professionals directly, it can be frustrating.
Yeah, and it seems like, especially with the international game, things are changing and evolving so much that it can be easy to make errors.
Really, the IRS doesn't even know how a lot of these things need to be treated. I mean, I'm sure you guys have recently discussed the FOIA request on the superannuation issue, the Australian superannuations. And the IRS, you could tell by their internal emails that they really don't know how things need to be treated either. So the tax field is really sorting it out as well.
Awesome. Well, again, thank you so much for taking the time to come down and talk to us. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for watching.